So hi everyone. Okay, you guys wanted me to make the okra butter. So we're going to start off with about 4 ounces of shea butter. So you can also use any other butter. If you're allergic to shea butter, you can use other butter. I'm going to take almond oil and take about a tablespoon of this. Yeah, so let me say something. I should have reduced the tablespoon of almond oil, but you also want to make the okra, and to make the okra you just get some okra, boil it, strain it, you guys know, and that is my okra. So what I'm going to do now is get about 3 tablespoons of okra gel. Now this is what's going on. Remember, okra gel is partly water and partly okra. Okay, so just know that it's just okra boiled in water. So keep that in mind while we're doing this experiment of making okra butter, like you guys said. So I'm using my magic bullet. Please do not be like me. Do not be like me and use a magic bullet, because it's not gonna mix unless if you, maybe I should have melted the shea butter. I think I should have melted the shea butter first. So here's where I'm struggling. As you can see, if you look closely, you'll be able to see that the okra gel liquid is right there. It has separated from the shea butter. Oh my goodness. This is my first time of messing up on a DIY, but you guys keep on watching. So I took everything and I poured everything into my mixer, my KitchenAid mixer, and yeah, I added more shea butter. Okay, so I'm adding more shea butter to it, about, let's just say about 2 ounces now, and I'm adding a little bit of more okra gel once again. And I'm mixing with a whisk mixer. This is I don't think this is the right whisker to whisk. So I was just like, girl, you better stop that. So I stopped mixing it with the whisk, and as you can see, it's not blended well. It's kind of clumps together. So I decided to change the mixing blade, or the mixing thing, to this batter mixer, hoping to get a whipped look. And I plugged everything in and it started mixing. This time I don't know, I'm amusing myself at this time, because I was just like, what is going on? But this time, this is what happened, and my okra refused to add in. And so let's try it. So you guys saw how I struggled to make this. Yeah, so you can even still see the water. You see some of the liquid, but I've let it sit for a while, but you can still see the liquid. I don't know if you can see it dripping. I don't know if the camera is catching it, but yeah, so someone told me to try making that, if they could use okra in their hair, like a curl defining cream, after they saw my video on using flaxseed. It works perfectly for flaxseed. So I thought, okay, let me do a twist out with it and we'll see how it looks like. So I'm just gonna section off my hair a little bit, and I'm just gonna start. The way I do my twist out is I just grab and go. So my hair, I've already washed it. I have to go wash it. Yeah, I've washed it. I've applied my leave-in conditioner, which is the leave-in conditioner I use. This is the Kadima leave-in conditioner. So this is my hair, and I'm just going to detangle my hair with my comb before I start applying the product to my hair. Detangle my hair really well. Now I don't know if it's gonna flake, so this is the product. This is how it looks like. It blends okay when I put it on my hand. You guys can see it blends okay, and when I put it on my hair, it also blends okay. So maybe if I add a stronger blender, I don't know, because I use my strongest blender, or I don't know, maybe the proportion was not enough. But you guys see how it blends clearly. And does it define my curls? Let's see. So this is shea butter, almond oil, and okra gel. Okay, so this is it. So you can see it does define my curls. So you guys see it does define the curls. My normal twisting, which I use rope twist. So all this stuff is all natural. Yeah, so let's see, we'll just see if it flicks, okay? Okay, so I finished twisting it up and I'm low porosity, so it takes a while for butters. That's why I don't use a lot of butters to penetrate my hair. That's why I don't use a lot of butters. But I'm going to just let this sit and just wait for it to dry. And yeah, so if it doesn't penetrate as quickly as I can, I might sit on the dryer, but I don't want to, so I probably will not. But this is what it looks like after I twisted up my hair. And I'm going to let it dry and then come back and show you the result to see how it turns out. Okay, so my hair is dry. It took longer to dry, and even now that I'm squeezing it, you know, it's not wet, but it's quite greasy. It feels very, very greasy and oily in my hair. So maybe next time if you make this, try maybe instead of using 1 tablespoon of oil, have a teaspoon or even 1 teaspoon, or even skip the oil, because shea butter is quite greasy. But I like the oil because the oil also adds a little bit of more moisture to it. But all my product buildup that I had initially is no longer there, so I'm happy about that. Okay, so this is my hair after I took it down. You can see it has almost no frizz on this side, but on my root area it has a little bit of frizz. And I massage my scalp with my mango butter. So if you guys want to know how to make mango butter, my hair it smells so nice. Anyway, if you want to know how to make mango butter, click on that link right over there. So I would suggest, my hair feels so soft. I started unraveling it's very early in the morning, it's like 6 a.m. I started unraveling my hair and my hair feels so soft. But I will advise to you that as you use this, if you want to use this and you want more defined curls, you want curls that will last, use your moisturizer, and then on top of your moisturizer, then use the okra gel. Okay, don't combine it. Now if you want to combine it, see, it's already freezing. If you want to combine it, just make sure you have a good mixer. Okay, my mixer was not ready for this, so make sure you have a very good mixer, because this will probably last. If I want to get it like curl definition, this will last just today. But overall, my hair feels good. My scalp feels really good with my mango butter. Mango butter is so good, people. You guys, if you're not using mango butter, you are slacking. So this is what it looks like. You can see how nice and fluffy it looks. Yeah. So yeah, but I am going to get ready for work now, and I have my Amazon live every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So if you guys at 12 p.m. Central Time, so I hope you guys join me there. Thank you everyone that started following our Amazon page. You guys are amazing. Love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oh yeah, I have a recipe for mango butter coming up soon, so don't forget to watch. Okay, take care. Bye. Mwah.